guys, it's Frances and I have a collaboration video for you. So the theme this week was seashells, and I'm going to show you right now a sneak preview of what all the other ladies have done. I will list the links to their videos in the information bar below, so please make sure you go check them out. And if you're coming to me from one of their channels, welcome, and I hope that you like what you see. Thanks for checking me out. And make sure that you subscribe before you leave. The picture for my design will be coming up last, and if you would like to see how I got this look, please just keep watching. So I am starting off with a base coat. I don't often show this in my videos, but I do almost always start out with some sort of base coat, whether it be peel off or a sticky base coat, and then I'm going to be using Orly's Vintage. This is probably one of my absolute favorite, if not my absolute favorite, green polishes. I love the color. I, however, do not really care for the formula. It is not so easy to put on. That first coat, as you can see, is pretty streaky, although it works itself out in the second coat, so I guess you could say it's worth it. But it's one of those polishes that seems like it takes a little bit longer to dry too. It's just a little bit on the thicker side. So if you are new with polish and you have a hard time with that kind of polish, I would steer clear. And then I'm going to go in with this topper, and it's called Shut the Front Door. This is a gorgeous polish. I'm not sure if it's available anymore. I'm sorry, because it's an indie polish, so they seem to come in and out. But you can definitely check out their site. I'll leave a link to their site below, and I'm going to use 2 coats of this one. And you can actually sponge this one for full opacity. I've done that before as well. But I wasn't going for that effect. I wanted some of that vintage green to peep through. And then I'm going to go smooth everything out with my Posh top coat. And that will just help me with the stamping. And while that's drying, I'm going to go in with Cuticula Dragon Juice, and this is going to protect my cuticles for stamping. And I'm just going to go ahead and brush that around the side. As you see, it goes on a baby blue with some glitter in it, and it dries clear and it smells delicious. And I was really making a bit of a mess with this today, so here's a tip. If you're using a cuticle protector, a latex one, before it dries, you can come in with a little brush and just kind of brush it away from the areas, and it should peel away for you. Because if not, if you leave it there, it'll peel up if you get paint over it. So I'm going to be using this Bundle Monster and Twi-Star collaboration plate for my first stamp, and this Twinkle Tea polish, and it kind of looks silver, sort of, but it's like a metallic white. And I'm going to be using a clear stamper so I can see my placement, and then you can kind of see the white right now. I'm going to pick up that image, and I'm going for fish scales, basically fish mermaid scales. And I just loved how the top coat, that Shut the Front Door, kind of gives you that purple green look to it. And to me, it looks a lot like those fish scales when it hits the sun. The pictures really don't do it justice. The video does it a bit better justice. And then I'm going to be using this Edgebus plate to get those seashells. And I'm going to use a white stamping polish first to pick up the images, because I wanted to do a purple, and any purple I tried on top of this combination that I have wasn't showing up very bright. So I knew that I needed to make it stand out a bit. And usually going under with a white base is helpful. So I'll be double stamping. I'm going to pick up that same image with the purple, and I'll be stamping over top. And it's okay if you offset it a little bit and then you can see the white peeking through. But I'm going to take my time and center it. And there I have. So I'm going to go ahead and do this with a bunch of different images, and then I'm going to come in with my Maniology smudge free top coat, and I'm liking this so far. And there is my final look all cleaned up. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure that you check out the other ladies. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending your time with me. And check out my latest video because it's a giveaway. I'll see you again next time. Bye.